Hello, this is Amos Tarfa, and in this video I want to talk to you about the 3 math courses. It's more like 5 to 6 courses, but the 3 math modules available to all Lifestem Academy students, whether you're here in Moorhead, Grand Forks, or beyond. So we have 3 courses that cover pre-algebra, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, pre-calculus, and geometry. After you flow right through all those, you should be able to do calculus without any issues. Our tests, calculus, college algebra, and pre-calc, give you the option for CLEP or getting CLEP credits. So we want to give you 9 math credits through CLEP, and then if you want to do calculus 2, calculus 3, linear algebra, differential equations, we'll guide you through the process of then how to take a final at a local college. That would be my best option there, is basically finding a way to take the final there. But let's just talk about the general consensus. The general consensus is we could get you to calculus through calculus with 9 CLEP credits also along the way. So what does it look like for everybody? And calculus is beautiful. That's why we want to get you there. It's just beautiful. You're getting all the tools, so you might as well do calculus. So let's start right here. If you're in pre-algebra, generally you're probably somewhere around 6th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade. Pre-algebra curriculum has a course ID of 180379 and then EK_LIFE 314. That enrollment key is the same all across. When you sign up for myopenmath.com, register as a new student, you can type in the course ID and the enrollment key. You choose your own username, you choose your own password. So use that information there for the pre-algebra. Then on the bottom left side of the screen, or on the left side of the screen, you can click on enroll in a new class. I would encourage you to do that as well, so that you just have these all saved, ready to go, and you just flow right through them, okay? We can help you figure out where you place. We have an assessment in this course right here that will show, it has a pre-algebra assessment right on the top of the page, and it also has an Algebra 1, Algebra 2 assessment. So we can assess where you're at. But if you are not comfortable with math, you don't think you've mastered it, there's nothing wrong with starting from the beginning and just going right to calculus. So please register, get your course ID for the 3 courses, have it all saved. I will share the syllabus with students. We'll upload that syllabus as well in the portals. But we can modify the syllabus as time goes on. If there's a snow day, something happens, we've created buffers in the syllabus, and we plan to keep that as we go on. So I expect about 3 sections a week. A parent asked a very good question. How much math should my child do? After they log in, especially if they're in 7th or 8th or 9th grade, after they log in, they should try to do about 45 minutes to an hour of math. I would say an hour would be ideal. Plan for an hour of math. However much you cover from that section in an hour is good. That's fine. We're using a time-based approach rather than how many problems must I complete. Because what happens if the student needs more time on each problem? Then they might be doing math for 3-4 hours. And we don't want that for the student, right? We want them to be able to serve their communities. We want them to be able to serve and help their families in with whatever needs they have. So therefore, set a timer, 1 hour, move on to the next subject. That's the plan for math. So I'll send the syllabus again so that we're all on the same page. We will have buffers built in. Please get the sign-in information. I will encourage you, if you have a laptop, a good laptop, to bring that instead of using our Chromebooks. Our Chromebooks can work, but sometimes people have challenges using them. But we do have a Chromebook that we can have you use if that's what you need to use. So the laptops can help. We do allow about a half hour of math video and review, so they're using the headphones to watch the math video if they need to. And here's why we do that. Because sometimes you explain the concept, some students have got it, they want to work on the material, and they're getting ahead, and they want to do the next section, but then somebody else needs time here. And so what we're trying to do is we want you to have the option to watch the next set of videos, right? We're uploading more and more resources and videos. We have videos there for you now, but we're going to keep adding more resources. One last thing about math and math tutoring at Lifestem Academy. We've created a tutor training track. So some of our students are actually getting trained to be tutors. We also have a teacher training track, which parents can choose to take to learn strategies for effective instruction. But if the tutor training track, I'm inspired partly by the work of the scientists of old. They used to start college at 13, 14, 15. Some of them were doing equations and like writing papers at 15. So I want my students to model after people like James Clerk Maxwell, Isaac Newton, and so on and so forth. That's the standard I hold to. I don't believe in the current standard of these young people know nothing. That's not true. Sometimes that's how they're treated. I just don't like that. These kids are capable of so much more. So I want to give them responsibility, teach them how to tutor. And so during lunch, if you need some more math review, we have some students that are going to be like student ambassadors that can help you, teach you the concept. After school, if you need more help, we have people that can help you to learn the concept well. We will do everything we can to help every child to flourish in their knowledge of math. So this is our inspirational mathematics series, or Counting to Calculus we call it. It takes you through all these courses, and we make math efficient. We try to teach it effectively by God's grace, and we're excited to help your child to keep learning and flourishing. If you have questions at any time, if you feel your child needs to slow down in the number of sections they're doing a week, that is okay. The big thing is that they're making time daily to learn math through videos, through practice, through teaching it to others. We want every student to get comfortable teaching the things they know to other people. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for your time. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to work with your family. Take care and have a blessed day.